LPG barrier 13. We have traditionally the top 4 ranks from East Europe. Now with the Ukrainian invasion, we have a huge problem to supply these top 4 positions. So many owners are growing wages and then going further away to select and contract these talent key positions from Asia, whilst ships 50% tiki-taka meeting point will be around Europe, around here, Bilbao, Spain. So we have 50% of world commerce LPG. Now, what is the solution? Many clients are contacting and we are expanding in a big way towards the America officer pool. Why? Because we need no visa, we have a direct planes, 10 hours planes, direct, of the pool of Latino. Now, many owners are thinking about changing the flags because Malta flag is very limited towards American pool. Then we have others going more aggressive towards Cyprus, more nationalities. Even there is a further contingent of very adaptive ship owners going towards Madeira. That's huge. But really, the ones that don't want to fight with the others pools are going for Panama, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda. Those flags Marshall accepts most officers of this planet, therefore they do not have to go and fight for the barriers. Other ship owners are also asking Candina to go towards Donis to generate the barriers. And all these measures today are making the budget of 2025-26 simpler. It's very simple if you don't have to fight with, say, one flag, only one nationality, endorsements from one country, and then we have one problem. Now let's eliminate problems and contact Candina. We have the solutions tailored for you. Thank you. Bye.